Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode we are going to be going over how to fix dented mower deck for your riding lawnmower. A little backstory on this one. So I was just minding my own business, cutting the yard, and this tree stump jumped out from nowhere. And yeah, so it ended up jamming up the blades inside here, and yeah, it made a big mess. So I think what we're gonna do is start to fix this is try to pull this dent out as much as possible, and then come back through, weld or cut out the damaged area, and then we'll just weld in a new straight section. So let's get it in the shop and start bending on it. Alright, just using a crescent wrench, we're going to see how flexible this actually is. Well, I'm going to need some more leverage on there. I think we're going to need a bigger leverage device. It's still hitting there. Yeah, seems to clear. Yeah, I think that'll be pretty good for us. Yeah, I think that'll work for us. Alright then, let's fire up the angle grinder and shave this down to where we think it'll work. Alright, we're going to use this piece of angle iron to form up our new piece. It is a little bit thicker than the old stuff, but it's better to be thicker than thinner, I guess. So we're just going to kind of guesstimate how long this is going to have to be. Let's say right there. And our old flange is also, I think what we're going to do is overlap it. So our old flange, let's say it comes to here. Should be good enough. So we'll trim this out. Other than lighting my pants on fire, I suppose that's why you don't aim the sparks at you. But it should be good enough for what we need. Then we gotta fit it to get this bend going. Alright, I think that'll work for us. So then we'll just clamp this in, take it inside, and weld it up. Alright, we got this thing propped up, so what I'm going to do now is just start clamping this in. Just lining up the top and bottom edge there. That should be fine. Alright, I'm going to tack these in and I think we got everything tacked. I just want to take the clamps off, make sure that the blade still spins without hitting. Should be fine, but we just want to make sure. A quarter inch, so it's fine. And for some of these larger gaps, we're going to use a piece of aluminum. So what you do is you just back it up to the gap, and the aluminum won't weld to that, but it'll give it from just blowing through them. Alright, we're going to let this cool for a bit and then come back through with the angle grinder and just clean up this these welds. If you've ever had a tree stump jump out at you and had to deal with something similar, type it in the comment section below. Cool enough that we can get in here and grind this smooth and clean it up a bit, make it look a lot better than it is. Alright, I do have some cracks where I didn't get filled in, so we'll run another bead across the top and then that should be good for that. And then just kind of rough sand, while it's out of the machine, might as well just rough sand it, kind of clean it up a little bit. But let me do that and I'll check back in with you when it's all painted up. This is all painted and we're ready to put it back on the machine. Thank you guys for watching. You guys are the reason that I do this kind of stuff, to help you out, kind of give you an idea of different ways to go about fixing different things, and if there's more or something else that you would like to see, write in the comment section. I read all that. So once again, thanks for watching.